Hi everyone, my name is Wahida Angel from Monster Day Tours. Right, go big or go home. Now, with lots of places being locked down by coronavirus, what we're going to bring to you is virtual tours right in front of you. Even though you're physically not here with me, I'm going to bring everything onto your screen. Yay, yay, yay! And my passion is food. I'm a foodie, I'm a food explorer, and also a self-taught chef, besides being a tour guide. So what else more that you can get from me but food, glorious food. Singapore is indeed a true foodie paradise because you can find heaps and heaps and variety of delicious, fantastic food at affordable prices at our own convenience. There's over 114 hawker centers in Singapore. We have over 6,000 stalls as well. From Maxwell Center, you will try the Hainanese chicken rice. If you go to Chinatown Complex, you will try the Nyonya Popiah. If you go to Tekka Center, you will try the Toseng, Paratha, and Murtabak and Biryani. Then if you go to Kampung Glam, you have the Nasi Padang and Nasi Iskandar. And I'm telling you, one of the best and my favorite is the Nasi Lemak. Nasi Lemak! So Nasi Lemak is one of our local favorite. It's a must when you're in Singapore. And it's a very, very humble breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, and you can have it any time of the day. What do you require? It requires some pandan leaves, okay? And of course you need coconuts. A typical Nasi Lemak would look like this with some coconut rice, anchovies, cucumber slices, fried fish, have omelets, and of course the sambal. So this one is served with cold egg sambal, and it's going to be so delicious. Now, best part of eating Nasi Lemak is to use your hands, mix with the rice, and then put it into your mouth. It's so yummy. Thank you for joining me on my virtual food tour and enjoying my Nasi Lemak, which is a must try on your next trip to Singapore with me, Monster Day Tours. Thank you. Bye bye.